You working on your finger there? You working on getting your thumb in your mouth, little man, huh? Huh, my little man? Really? Cadell. How about a smile for mommy? Huh? Where's my Cadell? How's my Cadell? Huh, honey? Cadell. Hi, Cadell. Are we doing some tummy time work? Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Okay. Okay. Make sure you have milk in the whole nipple, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you.